Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP/USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as expected, we got to see some crazy moves after the NFP. Dollar showed extreme upside, as a result of which we got to see heavy setting on the chart of gold, Euro USD and also GBP USD. And what was the NFP data? NFP data was mixed. Okay, NFP data was mixed. When the data came out and the whole world was shocked to see the number of 339k, because the expectation was that there would be an addition of around 190k to 193k jobs, but the US employers added around 339k jobs, which was a humongous number. Market was not expecting such numbers, but the problem was the unemployment rate. Previous data was 3.4%, expectation was 3.5%, and the number unemployment rate came out to be 3.7%. Though there was a humongous number of 339k, but the unemployment rate came out to be 3.7%. As a result, right after the data came out, market gave a mixed response. If you have watched the live market, then probably you saw that DXY gave a sharp up move. After a few seconds, there was some price rejection and DXY started going down. For 30 minutes, market was in indecision. We had no clarity about the move of the market, but at last the buyers took over and we saw good amount of upside on DXY, and DXY closed at 104.04. This is the last traded price of DXY, and we can clearly see a bullish flag on the chart of DXY. So market opening will be important, and there's a high chance that right after the market opening, DXY will try to continue the upside. If the trend continues on DXY US dollar index, then obviously pressure will remain on pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD and others. And if market comes for some retracement, or if you see a few red candles right after the market opening, do not consider it as a trend reversal. High chance that after this kind of move, market will be going for some retracement. So the next retracement level is around 103.80, 103.85. Around this level, you can expect the market to take support and bounce back again. So this is all about DXY. DXY is bullish right now, so plan your trades accordingly. Now let's look at the chart of GBPUSD. Usually we get to see similar move on the chart of Euro USD and GBPUSD, but this time the charts are saying a different story. GBPUSD showed upside, showed trend reversal a couple of days ago, and Euro USD is still under the dominance of sellers. So as a result, trading on the chart of Euro USD is easier in comparison to GBPUSD, because when we had a channel here, when we had a downward channel, market gave a breakout, took support at the trend line and bounced again. The trend of the market changed, and if we just look at the present trend of the market, or if we simply focus on this particular side of the market here, we can still see that buyers are still trying their best to take the market up. Why? Because the structure of the market is still bullish. We can still see that market is forming higher highs, and to prove us wrong, to prove me wrong, okay, to change the market structure, market will have to, GBP USD will have to break this low here, so that we can understand that the trend of the market has changed again. So market was in downtrend, no doubt, okay, but here the trend of the market changed, buyers took over, market was in uptrend. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts, whether market is able to continue the present structure or not. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, or the next week will be very important for GBP USD. So right after the market opening, if you see that GBP USD is going down, if possible, do not take a sell position, because taking a sell position on Euro USD seems to be a better option right now, because on Euro USD sellers are dominating and we do not have any support like this on Euro USD. But on GBP USD, we can see that we also have the 100 moving average. So there is a chance that if market tries to go down, then it will receive some support from the 100 moving average. Usually we do not get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. If the Monday acts like a normal Monday, silent sleepy Monday, then obviously you should avoid sell position on GBP USD right after the market opening. But in case it shows extreme selling pressure, then that's a different chapter. Better look for sell position on other chart. But taking a sell position on GBP USD right after the market opening, that too on a less volatile market, is a little bit risky, because the market structure is still very much intact, and there's a high chance that market will try to take support around this 1.2400, 1.2395 level, and also 1.2425. So these are the two levels on the chart of GBP USD right now. So if the volatility of the market is low on Monday and still you see the market is going down, then we can definitely expect that market will try to take support around these areas. 1.2425 is the immediate support. If not a complete trend reversal, at least we can expect a minor bounce. If market shows price rejection from below, we can go for a buy. On the other hand, if market breaks this level, if you do not see any price rejection, if you see the market is going down with a red candle, then obviously we will have to use our common sense and avoid a buy. In that case, you can look for buy around 1.2400. Right now, I'm on the 4 hours time frame. It's a slow one, so you can simply switch over to hourly time frame or 15 minutes time frame and just observe the market. If you see the market is taking support around 1.2400, you'll get a confirmation that yes, it's time to take a buy, and you can take a buy, and at least you can expect a profit of 30, 35, 40 pips. Okay. And right after the market opening, if you see that GBP USD is showing upside, means it's trying to recover. In that case, we have few levels where you can expect to take a sell position. Considering the ongoing selling pressure, you can take or look for sell position around 1.2464, 1.2480, 1.2492. You can also draw a Fibonacci like this. You can see I am on the 1 hour time frame and I have drawn Fibo from here till here. So what are the levels here? 1.2464, 1.2480, and 1.2492. These are the three Fibonacci levels here. So volatility of the market will decide which level will work. If you see the market is going up, but the market is very slow, not much volatility, then obviously 1.2464 will play the role of the resistance. If you see price rejection from above, market struggling around the area, you can look for a sell. In case it fails, your next selling opportunities will be around 1.2480 and 1.2492. On the chart of GBP USD, in my experience, okay, Fibonacci 50% retracement and 61.8 always plays a better job. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP USD. I'm not trying to predict the direction of the market, trend of the market for the next couple of months and years, because I do not have the expertise to do that. Okay, I'm a trader like you guys. Okay, I'm a hardcore day trader, so I try to find out levels, trade from level to level. So this is my analysis. If I have missed anything, write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from it. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Use proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Bye-bye. Take care. Happy weekend. Have some quality time with your family. Spend some great time with your friends and family. Bye-bye. Take care.